Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a pair of running shoes that have been making waves in the running community, the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 39. If you're in the market for a new pair of running shoes, stick around because we're giving you an honest review. From the good to the bad, and everything in between. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design and aesthetics of the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 39. Nike has always been known for its sleek designs, and the Pegasus 39 is no exception. With its modern look and a variety of colorways, these shoes definitely catch the eye. But beyond looks, how does the design contribute to performance? Well, Nike has incorporated a more breathable mesh upper which not only looks good, but also keeps your feet cool during those long runs. Now, on to comfort and fit. One of the standout features of the Pegasus 39 is the improved fit. Nike has added more padding around the collar and a slightly wider toe box, making these shoes incredibly comfortable even for runners with wider feet. The Air Zoom units in the forefoot and heel provide that responsive cushioning that many runners love. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or a casual jogger, the Pegasus 39 offers a comfortable ride. But looks and comfort aren't everything, performance and durability are key. The Pegasus 39 features Nike's React Foam midsole, which is lightweight yet durable. This foam provides a nice balance of cushioning and responsiveness, making your runs feel smooth and effortless. The outsole has a waffle-inspired pattern that offers great traction on various surfaces. After putting these shoes through their paces on both road and trail runs, I can confidently say they hold up well. Let's hear from the community. What are other runners saying about the Pegasus 39? Overall, the feedback has been positive. Many users praise the shoe for its comfort and versatility. However, some have mentioned that it may not be the best option for those looking for a more minimalist shoe. Additionally, a few runners noted that the sizing can be a bit inconsistent, so it might be worth trying on a pair in store if possible. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. Pros: sleek design with multiple color options. Comfortable fit with extra padding and a wider toe box. Responsive cushioning thanks to the Air Zoom units. Durable and grippy outsole suitable for various terrains. Cons: not ideal for runners who prefer minimalist shoes. Inconsistent sizing reported by some users. In conclusion, the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 39 is a solid choice for runners of all levels. Its combination of style, comfort, and performance makes it a versatile shoe that can handle everything from daily training runs to race day. If you're looking for a reliable running shoe that offers a bit of everything, the Pegasus 39 might just be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know your thoughts on the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 39 or if there are any other shoes you'd like us to review. See you next time! I hope this helps you create an engaging and informative YouTube video.